Sama pa yan.
Sarap po, nilagang buto-buto. Kumakain na kami ni Alex.
Ay, okay ba yung luto ko?
Buto. Paano sa sani nakikita ko eh.
Kuya ko, hindi ko makain gulay yun.
Ayaw.
Ang anghang.
Kaya pa. Bakit?
Ba't hindi ka tanga, ba?
Kaya nga eh.
Tanga na ako.
Basta mga pogi, maanghang kumain.
Tapang.
Kaya dapat kumain. Anghangan mo rin ang kain mo.
She doesn't like it.
Yes, Alex.
It's a little bit. Little by little.
I know she doesn't like it no more. I gave her
Try
like.
it again, try it.
Busog.
She says she drank a lot of milk. That's why when we're doing the refrigerator.
Oo.
That's what I told me.
Kabilite.
Kain na kayo, kain na kayo. Meron mga kumakain na kabidyo.
Alas, video ah.
Oh. Why?
Send it to your grandma. Say hi to them.
Hi, Lola.
Lola can see me?
Yeah. I'll send this. Here's the handsome friend of your uncle and your father.
Ay, hayop ka sa anghang.
Ha?
Sa'yo na lang yan. Ay, masahap. Kumakain mo yan.